Hello and welcome back to In the Kitchen with Matt. I am your host, Matt Taylor. Today I'm going to show you how to make a hamburger, a juicy hamburger. I love homemade hamburgers. I still go to restaurants and fast food places and buy burgers, but I really love homemade burgers. They're really easy to make. If I can do it, you can do it. John Evans, who sells this product called the Ultimate Burger Press, contacted me and asked me if I wanted to try out his Burger Press, Ultimate Burger Press product, and he wanted to sponsor an episode, so I said sure, why not? And he sent me this Ultimate Burger Press to try out along with some other goodies, and I've used it and it's really cool, so I'm going to show you that product as well as we make these burgers. Again, really easy to do. If I can do it, you can do it. Let's get started. First, you want to get your grill going. I have my charcoal grill going as we speak. Or you could use like a cast iron skillet or a normal skillet or a George Foreman grill, whatever you want to use to cook up your burgers. Now I recommend making homemade patties. You can buy the frozen patties if you want. They're just a little harder to season and they're a little more expensive. So I have about a pound, probably a little bit less of a pound of 20/80 beef. So 80% beef, 20% fat. And you want a good fat content with your burger because it's going to help it be more juicy and add flavor. And I'm just going to take some salt and get some salt there on the meat. And I don't have these measured out, these ingredients, because I do it different every time. So just add some salt and some pepper, garlic powder, and there we go. Now we're just going to come in here with our clean hands, or you can use silicone gloves if you want, and just work the meat a little bit. You don't want to over knead or overwork the meat. Okay, and then I'm going to take this and divide it into two little mounds here. These are going to be nice big burgers, and kind of shape it into a ball. And then you take some plastic wrap and place it over the top. And then the burger press, this is the burger press. It pretty much makes a donut shaped patty. Now why would we want a donut shaped patty? When you're making homemade burgers, a lot of times when you're cooking them, the middle will puff up and the sides get more cooked and the middle is less done and it doesn't cook as evenly through, and you constantly want to push it down, and then when you push it down it squeezes out all the juice and flavor. So the theory behind the donut shaped burger is all the edges of the donut patty get nice and uniformly cooked, and then the middle is a nice little cavity where you can put toppings and things, so pretty neat. So you take your burger press and you just go right in the middle and push it down, okay, and flip it over like that, and then I will come in here with more seasonings. Easy as that, and then just pull out the plastic, and you have a donut shaped patty, and you can come back in and shape it if you want. I don't really worry about that too much. Let's do our other one. Place your plastic wrap over it, take your burger press, and I sprayed the burger press, I didn't mention that earlier, I sprayed it with a little bit of kitchen spray just so the plastic releases really easy. And I'm going to push this down in there. Peel it up. This is going to be a nice big patty. Oh yeah. Salt. Pepper. Garlic powder. Push it down in there. And just pull it up. Look at that. That is awesome. And it's got this nice indentation here. And then, so normally before you use your thumbs and try to print it down in there, this burger press allows you to make all of them pretty much the same size. And again, so this ridge right here is going to cook more even, so it's not going to puff up in the middle. And then I'm going to come back in here, take some salt, pepper, garlic powder. That's pretty much what I use for my patty: salt, pepper, garlic powder, and occasionally I'll put a little bit of Worcestershire sauce in there with it. Now let's go out to the grill and grill these puppies up. Here we are outside at my grill. It's nice and hot. I moved over the charcoal a little bit so I have a cooler area over here and a nice hot area there. You want your temp to be around 400 degrees. If you can put your hand there for about a couple seconds, then it's good to go. And if you need to, you can lower the charcoal away so it's further away. Perfect. Grab our patties, put them on there, and we're going to let them cook on each side for 5 minutes. One thing I want to mention is don't play around with your patties. Don't smash them and flip them over every like 30 seconds. Just let them sit there for 4 to 5 minutes and then flip them over to the other side, 4 to 5 minutes, and they'll be good to go. Now, depending on how big they are, you'll have to adjust that time a little bit. And if you have a meat thermometer, you can just get it in there. We want it to be about 160 degrees Fahrenheit on the inside. And if you notice, the middle is not puffing way up. A lot of times homemade patties will do that. It's been about 5 minutes. Let's go ahead and flip these. Yummy, yummy, yummy. The grill's a little hot, so I'm gonna move these over to this other section. Also, I want to toast my hamburger buns a little bit. Just a few seconds just to get a little bit of grill marks. That's good. 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 I've had this grill for several years. The cast iron griddles on the top are really nice and seasoned. And now, look at that. Those are good to go. Yum, look how amazing these patties look. They smell amazing as well. And you can tell there's a little bit of a concave in there. They didn't puff up in the middle. Really cool. Now we want to put these bad boys together. And let's assemble these burgers. Oh yeah. Normally what I would do is I would melt my cheese on the burger, but I wanted to show you the concave, so I didn't do that this time. Got some cheese on there, cheddar cheese. Don't be messing around with American Kraft Singles cheese. Use real cheddar cheese. I have some onions I took off the grill as well. Nice thing of tomato. Oh yeah. Now this is how I like to make them. You can make your burgers however you want, whatever toppings you want. You might just want meat and cheese. You might just want meat. Let's get some green leaf lettuce. And gots to have bacon. Gots to have bacon. Look how big these are. These are like Scooby-Doo burgers. Yeah. Flip these around. And of course, I love my ketchup and mustard. Some people like to use mayo. Some people like you to use horseradish. Whatever you want to do. Now, put that on top. Boom. Pat it down a little. Oh yeah. 2 giant, yummy, homemade hamburgers. And that is how I make my hamburgers. Really easy to do. If I can do it, you can do it. Make sure to check down below the video in the description for a link on where you can find the Ultimate Burger Press. It's a really handy tool that you can use to make uniform patties, as well as it's not going to dome up on you, meaning the edges aren't going to get all cooked first before the inside does. Also, it comes in a variety of sizes. In the box, you get a normal 8-ounce size and then a 4-ounce size for sliders. A couple tips when making a burger, whether you're on the grill, outside, or indoors, make sure to not fiddle around with the burger and flip it every couple seconds or every couple minutes. Just put it down there and let it cook for 4 to 5 minutes per side, and it will be good to go. I'm Matt Taylor. This has been another episode of In the Kitchen with Matt. Thank you for joining me. As always, if you have any questions, comments, or requests, put them down below, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Thumbs up, down the corner, push it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Take care. Time for me to dive into this. Oh yeah, I'm so excited. Oh.